Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Blender e-learning platform. Today we are checking your answers about electromagnetic spectrum quiz, paper 3 for core candidates. And we will start our first question about electromagnetic spectrum. Here you have in the question, the electromagnetic spectrum is shown. One type of radiation is not labeled, and the first part is asking you to add the label for the missing type. First of all, you have to check that you know the correct order, and radio waves is here at the left, gamma rays at the right. So in order, the missing part is ultraviolet, right? Okay. The arrow indicates a property that is increasing. Which property is increasing in this direction? Let's revise that gamma rays, they have high frequency and they have shorter wavelength. But radio waves, they have longer wavelength, but they have lower frequency. So in this direction, which property is increasing? Increasing, so it means wavelength is increasing in this direction. So in this direction, wavelength is increasing. You have to write it here in the space. Wavelength is increasing in this direction. Compare the speeds of radio waves and visible light in vacuum. You know that all the members of electromagnetic spectrum family, they all travel at the same speed of light in vacuum. Not only radio waves and visible light, all of them. Okay, but you have to write a complete sentence that visible light and radio waves have the same speed of light in vacuum. So you have to write down visible light and radio waves have the same speed of light in vacuum. Describe how X-rays are used for security in airports. This question is very important, and its second part also. Okay, X-rays, they are ionizing radiation which is used to scan passengers and luggage. Why we are scanning passengers and luggage? To identify if they have any objects that may be hidden by passengers, and you can get an image for these objects on the monitor or on a screen. Okay, so this is how X-rays can be used for security. Let's write down the answer. X-rays are used to scan passengers and luggage. Why? To identify the objects that may be hidden that may be hidden by passengers. How can they know this? They can, and an image is obtained. An image will be created on the screen or the monitor. Okay, explain the properties of X-rays that make them useful for this to be used in airport security. One of the main properties of X-rays that they can be partially absorbed and partially transmitted. X-rays can be transmitted through less dense materials. That's why they have high penetration power and can be absorbed by dense materials. Okay, so X-rays can be partially absorbed and partially transmitted. Let's write down the answer. X-rays can be partially absorbed and partially transmitted. Okay, X-rays can be transmitted through less dense materials and absorbed by dense materials. Okay, this question is very important and challenging. If you would like to know more about X-ray properties, uses, precautions to use X-rays and so on, you can follow Instagram so you can follow our research day.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.